So now our snake will move, right? Will be moved by the timer. So we need to change our function of the buttons. So if we click the button, will change its direction. Okay, so what we can do with that, we can create a variable to represent the moving direction of our snake. Okay, so let's stop. Yeah, stop this one. We don't need that. So let's create one here. Direction. Oh, what's the data type of that? Let's introduce a new data type in num, okay? So it will represent the 4 directions: up, down, left, right. Okay, so let's create a file here. New file, Swift, yes. This is a new data type. So direction, moving direction, okay? Moving direction. This is the file name, and we'll create an enum. So we already create a class struct. This is the third important data type, enum. Enumerated data, right? Enumerated type declaration. So okay, yeah, easy. Oh, okay. So we need a name here. We can use the same thing here. Direction, moving direction. Case left, right? Case up, and the case down, and the case right. With that, we can use this. If we don't use that, we can use something else like a string. We can just put a string there, right? We can use something like, for example, a string left, right? So we can compare using this as the flag, so we can compare the actual value with a string, a preset string. But now it's not exhausted, right? So what if we put like left like that, or just any? What if, yeah, the value is like unlimited for the data type string or integer, right? We can use integer: 0 for left, 1 for up, and 2 for down, and 3 for up, right. This is an old way to control this kind of logic and data. The best way is creating an enum and list all the possible values here. Now we can move up this one to put it here. Let's use it. So direction, now the data type can be moving, no, where is our moving direction? Command B, moving, yeah, direction. It's we moving that equals, just use the down right here. Dot down. Dot down is a shortcut for, like, it's a shorthand form of moving direction.com. Yeah. So now when we touch the left button, right, we'll change its direction to, right, left. Okay. So moving direction, no, direction, yeah, equals dot left, right? And moving down, update. We don't need that, so we just change that, right? Direction. So the snake will guide itself, right? Itself using this direction. So how do we do that? Move down. Okay, so it's here, right? How does it know to move down, right? It's based on this direction, so we can use something like that. Switch. There's no autocomplete here. Switch. Okay, then I think we should have a switch structure here. Switch, yes. Maybe it's because it's inside the closure, so the autocomplete is not smart enough to do that, but we can use this trick, right? So we can write that outside, then we can cut and put it inside here. So switch what? Switch direction. So yeah, case dot left. Okay, and self dot board dot move left, and let's make a copy of that. We don't need the default here. Copy, so get rid of that. Paste. Paste. Can we auto format that? Let's try. Sometimes. So highlight and Control I. Yes. Cool. So this is left. Yeah, we need a self. So let's fix that. Self. Now left. This is, let's fix okay, left up. Okay, let's move up. And what about this one? Down. Yeah, so we'll move down, and the last one is right. Let's move right. So it's exhausted, right? All the cases are listed here. Move right. And bye-bye this one. And we still need to update the UI, right? So wow, now the code is as simple as that. We just change its direction, and we don't need that. Delete. Direction equals dot up. Yeah, let's copy that. Programmers are lazy. Okay, so this is done. Yeah, that's why we have such handy tools, right? The autocomplete, right? Right. Yeah, this is right. Let's give it a try. Run it. Moving down. Go left, go right. Yes. Yes. Our snake follows our instruction. Go up. Go left. Let's try to eat this guy. To eat this green. Okay. Is it longer? Yes. Oh. Go up. Right. Hey. Down. I cannot eat it. So right and up. Yes. Is it longer? Yes. I think it's working fine. Now maybe we can increase the size of the grid, right? we have code to do that easily. It's in, oh, we just need to go to our snake board and change this to 26, 27 maybe, and this one, yeah, 25 maybe. Let's try. Wow, I didn't expect such a good fit. And if we want to speed up, right, we can make the timer interval shorter. Let's try it. So it's inside the view controller. We create a timer there. And if we want to make our initial snake shorter, we can comment out some, yeah, lines are here, or delete them, yeah. Timer interval here. Let's try 0.5. Yeah, 0.5. We cannot omit this 0. Okay, run it. It will be, wow, much faster. Okay, go up. Don't forget, we have a touch screen here, right? So it is cool if we can touch and change its direction. We'll talk about that later. See you next time. Bye. Enjoy the snake game.